aspirants. We are studying about common errors which is found in a sentence for which in a part of the sentence for which different options are given. A part of the sentence, B part of the sentence, C part of the sentence, and D part of the sentence. So we will study parts of a speech because it is very necessary that we understand the fundamental rules of grammar, and parts of a speech is the very important to understand the grammar of English. So we will continue with noun. Noun is a word which is used to denote a name of a person, thing, or a place, idea, and quality of a person, like Akshay, Delhi, chair, truth, law. All these are nouns. Now coming to the kinds of noun, there are five kinds of noun. Proper noun is the name of some particular person, thing, or place, like India, Taj Mahal, Shiva, Yamuna. Common noun. It is name of given to every person or thing of the same class of or kind, like boy, girl, teacher, doctor, engineer. Collective noun. It is the name of a collection or a group of persons or things treated as a whole, like class, fact, crowd, army, team, etc. Material noun. It is the name of material noun. It is the name of a material or substance out of which things are made, like iron, gold, copper, wheat, milk, rice, water. All are examples of material noun. Abstract noun. It is the name of quality, idea, concept, or a state. Feelings that involves our emotions like love, hatred, anger, respect, pleasure, etc. Quality, strength, innocence, obedience, beauty, etc. A state includes a state of mind like weariness. I feel weariness. I have worked hard. Tiredness, mercy, birth, death, etc. Classification of nouns. Nouns can be classified into singular and plural, like bus, buses, leaf, plurally leaves, city, plurally cities. Nouns can be classified into masculine, feminine, common, and neuter gender. Like masculine, we can quote examples like tiger, father, time. Feminine, woman, lioness, peace. Common, teacher, servant, a student. Neuter, copy, book, room. Nouns can be classified into countables and uncountable nouns. For example, tables, chairs, benches, and uncountable oxygen, furniture, happiness. Some important rules of noun. Rule 1. Articles are not used before material nouns. For example, leather is used in making suits. We have not used a leather or an leather or the leather. Copper and mispickle are mined only in small quantities. Rule 2. Material nouns and abstract nouns are not used in plural form. Care of the old is necessary. Jewelry of gold is very costly. Rule 3. Proper nouns are sometimes used as common nouns. For example, Samudragupta is the Napoleon of India. Kalidas is Shakespeare of India. In the above two sentences, the proper nouns above two sentences, the proper noun Napoleon and Shakespeare are used as common nouns. Rule 4. Collective nouns usually take a singular verb and are substituted by a singular pronoun. For example, the jury has given its verdict. The team has performed to its potential. Rule 5. Collective nouns take a plural verb and substituted by a plural pronoun when the group members do not behave as a whole but take different directions. For example, the jury are divided in their decision. Like the three judges were sitting to give some judgment, and all were not of the same opinion. The ministry are much divided in their opinion regarding the foreign policy. Rule 6. Collective nouns, even when they denote living things, are considered to be neuter gender. India has a big army and it is divided into three major divisions. The class waits for its teachers quietly. Rule 7. Units of counting, pair, dozen, a score, hundred, etc. when used after numbers retained in their singular form. Like my friend bought 2 dozen eggs from the market. I gave him 200 rupees. Rule 8. The following nouns are always used in plural form. Certain articles of dress like certain articles of dress like trousers, shorts, jeans, pants, etc. Jeans are in vogue these days. Why are my parts? Certain collective nouns, although they are singular in form, like police, cattle, gentry, peasantry, clergy, people, company, poultry, majority, artillery, infantry, etc., police have reached the crime scene. Use plural of have. Cattle are grazing in the field. Certain other nouns like assets, premises, arms, proceeds, contents, refreshments, orders, repairs, rations, statistics, collection of data, credential, etc. Courts should make it mandatory for the ministers to declare their assets. Arms were distributed in the beggars. Here we are using the plural form because arms is always used as plural. Rule 9. Some nouns look like plural but always used in singular, like mathematics, statics, physics, economics, all subjects, gymnastics, news, innings, series, measles, rabies, mumps, rickets, summons, name of books, etc. The news is bad. Gymnastic is fun to watch. Rule 10. Uncountable nouns are used in singular form only. Indefinite articles a and an is not used before them. Much is used in the place of many for denoting plurality. Some of the important nouns of this category are as follows: advice, information, care, luggage, business, work, word, mischief, bread, scenery, abuse, vacation, evidence, employment, alphabet, poetry, furniture, baggage, trouble, fuel, wheat, rice, stationery, etc. He gave me information. He was punished for committing much mischief. Rule 11. When two nouns depict a common possession, we use atmospheres, apostrophes after the second noun if they are functioning as one unit and expressed in singular form. E.g., Rahul is Sweta's father and Sweta's father has died. Sheila and Rohit's mother did not come in the party. Rule 12. When two or more nouns depict a common possession but they are functioning separately, use apostrophe after each noun. For example, Rita's and Gita's businesses are booming. Ram's and Mohan's fathers are ill. So this is about nouns. We have discussed a few rules in which we have to take care while writing a sentence or finding an error in a sentence. These rules will help you in figuring out where there is error in a sentence and you can answer the questions, common error questions which are asked in AFCAT, NDA, railway banks exams. This is a very important question which is asked generally in all the competitive exams. Thank you.